Well, hello everyone. My name is Jorge Santillan, and I'm going to present you my evidence one, and I'm going to talk about CEMEX. All right, and well, I'm going to talk about CEMEX, but specifically, um, the cement because they are a company that are dedicated to sell cement in all Mexico. Are very it's a big company, and I'm going to talk about the transportation process and that kind of stuff. Well, I'm going to talk about the transportation processes that are used by the company. Well, they use that kind of transportation processes because they want to do a certainly objectives. And well, I'm going to tell you the objectives of these processes. Sorry. Well, the first one are like ensure operational continuity by procuring quality goods and services. Another one are like establish standardized policies, processes, and tools for supply planning, negotiation, purchasing, and inventory management. Another one are like leverage or knowledge and share best practices. And well, additionally, we aim to benefit from economies of scale, tough negotiations, and effectively manage strategic supplier relationships to optimize cost benefit outcomes. It's like a kind of things. Well, now I'm going to tell you, or I'm going to describe you the strategies that are used by the company in distributing their finished product to reach their goal markets. All right, and the first one are comprehensive transportation network. Okay, and well, CEMEX operates a well-established transportation network consisting of trucks, trains, and ships to ensure timely delivery of finished products, obviously, to various destinations in Mexico. Well, this network enables them to reach both domestic and international markets effectively. All right. And the next one are regional distribution centers. Okay. Well, CEMEX strategically locates regional distribution centers to serve as hubs or for storing and distributing finished products. These centers are strategically positioned to minimize transportation costs and reduce delivery times to target markets. Okay, it's more faster basically. Well, the just-in-time inventory management. Well, CEMEX implements just-in-time inventory management practices to optimize inventory levels and minimize holding costs by maintaining minimal inventory levels while ensuring product availability. They can respond quickly to market demand fluctuations. Okay. The next one are advanced technology. CEMEX utilizes advanced technology such as GPS tracking systems and route optimization software to streamline distribution operations. Well, this technology allows them to track shipments in real time, optimize delivery routes, and improve overall fleet efficiently. Customer-centric approach. Okay, CEMEX focuses on understanding customer needs, and preferences to tailor distribution strategies accordingly. They offer flexible delivery options, including the same day and next day delivery services to meet customer requirements and enhance customer satisfaction. And the last one are sustainability initiatives. CEMEX integrates sustainability into its distribution strategies by prioritizing environmentally friendly transportation methods and optimizing delivery routes to minimize carbon emissions. This not only aligns with their corporate social responsibility goals, but also enhances their reputation as a sustainable company. Sorry for the pronunciation. Now I'm going to talk about the transportation logistics, or the transportation that are used by the company. Okay, and wherever they use intermodal or unimodal transportation. CEMEX Mexico oversees one of the country's most efficient and adaptable logistic networks. Are supported by a comprehensive infrastructure and diverse transportation methods, but they use like unimodal transportation, or in the most of the cases, because it's not easy to transport cement in raw, maybe, but when the cement are in packaging, in correct packaging, it's more easy, and they can transport it on rail or land. The second one are modes of transportation that they use, and it's basically like rain and land when it's a national delivery, but when they have to send cement to another part of the world, they use like maritime transportation. The types of containers, they use like hopper wagons or freight wagons, especially designed for the transport of solid bulk cargo such as cereal, cement, minerals, etc. They can be closed or open at the top and are unloadably the gravity tow grades. So they basically use a dry container. It's the most common on land or rail. Sorry. The most common are like a dry container for 40 or 20. Now are the storage needs. So they it's basically like in the short-term storage facility for temporary goods. Another one are oversight and management of inventory, and insurance coverage for merchandise. That's are the needs from storage. Now I'm going to talk about the packaging group. The cement packaging, as outlined in the product description, is manufactured using craft paper. Suppliers of this product include Carton from Colombia, with facilities in Bogotá, Medellín, Cali, and Barranquilla, as well as Papeles Nacionales with plants in Cartago and Bogotá. They use like empty bags are transported to the cement plants on wooden pallets and in vehicles of various configurations. Where else? When utilizing tractor trailers, the maximum numbers of pallets transported is 36. Yes, 36. Whereas when shipped in trucks, the maximum number of pallets transported is 18. Well, now are the packaging characteristics, and well, these are like regarding packaging materials. The components employed include plastics, film, and wooden dunnage. The utilization of plastics or film is infrequent, serving primarily to safeguard the pallet's integrity along the route. Okay. And the next one are outsourced services. Well, designing an efficient distribution network, planning logistics for operation and sales, optimizing inventory levels, implementing optimal pricing strategies. They are like utilizing measurement indicators. Okay. And the last one are technological support it uses. Well, the unveiling of Aliera marks the introduction of pioneering logistics firm aiming to become the premier partner from fulfilling the warehousing, transportation, and import requirements of business across Mexico, the United States, and Canada. Okay. Well, now I'm going to talk about you the process of transportation logistics. And well, it's basically like the cement is produced in their operating plants, and once it is ready, they pour it raw into the transport trucks, and the land transportation, and some of the trucks go directly to the buildings to empty them, and others trucks go directly to the packaging plant where they pack and distribute it to the stores that sell the cement. So that's basically the process that Cemex are using into the transportation logistics. Well, now I'm going to talk about you the three laws or standards that the company must consider for transportation of their product, and I'm going to describe how such laws govern or interfere in such process. Okay, the first one are transportation regulations. Well, CEMEX must comply with national and international transportation regulations governing the movement of goods by road, rail, and sea. These regulations dictate factors such as vehicle weight limits, driver hours of service restrictions, and safety standards. Non-compliance can result in fines, penalties, or even suspension of operations, impacting the efficiency and legality of CEMEX transportation processes. The second one are environmental regulation. CEMEX must adhere to environmental laws and standards governing emissions, noise pollution, and fuel usage associated with their transportation activities. These regulations aim to minimize the environmental impact of transportation operations and promote sustainable practices. Failure to comply with these regulations can lead to legal repercussions. Sorry, and damage to CEMEX reputation as an environmentally responsible company. And the last one are the customs and trade regulations. CEMEX must navigate customs and trade regulation when transporting their products across borders. These regulations include import, export duties, tariffs, and customs clearance, procedures. Failure to comply with customs regulations can result in delays in product delivery, increased costs, and potential legal issues. Additionally, adherence to trade agreements and international standards is essential for smooth cross-border transportation and trade facilitation. And with this, I finished my presentation. And thank you so much, and see you the next Friday.